Hello, my lovely dance friends. Rob and Dyanick here to teach you Baby I Wanna Know to the song Hey Baby by Max Jackson. This is a updated version of an old song. You might have heard it in Dirty Dancing. I'm hoping it's as successful as the dance Glass of Wine. This dance is a high beginner. It says it's beginner. I think it's a high beginner. It's quick pace, but no tags or restarts. It is a 32 count dance with a counter-clockwise rotation. This is my new dog, Ginger. She's not as camera shy as my other dog, Tessie, but she's around somewhere. Okay, let's get started. I teach in sets of 8. So we're going to start with our weight on that left foot, and we're going to do a Lindy shuffle to the right. So you're going to just step together, step, rock back on the left, recover. Then you're going to do a big slide to your left and hold, and then rock back right, recover. All right, so let's do that again. Shuffle, rock back, recover, big slide, rock back right, recover. Okay, with the counts, it's shuffle 1 and 2, rock back 3, recover 4, 5, hold 6, rock back 7, 8. Okay, let's add on. Weights back on that left foot, and we're going to step out with the right and pivot a half turn to 6 o'clock, and then you're going to do an out, out, in step. So you're going to step out, right and left, out, out, and in, right and left. And then you're going to rock back on your right foot. Oops, I thought I stepped on my dog. So we're going to rock back on the right and recover. Okay, let me do that again. All right, so you're going to step out right, pivot a half turn to your left, out, out, right and left, in, right and left, rock back on the right, recover. So if you're doing this with me for the first time, you might just want to watch since you turn away from me. So I'm going to do it with the counts. So we're going to step out 1, turn 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, hold 6, rock back 7, 8. Okay. All right, so let's try that one more time. Pivot, turn, out, out, in, rock back, recover. Okay, so let's add that on from the top. Ready, we're gonna shuffle, rock back, recover, big slide, rock back on the right, recover, step out, pivot, half, out, out, in, rock back right, recover. Okay, let's add on. That's half the dance. So your weight's on your left and you are facing 6 o'clock. You're going to step forward on your right, point left, step forward left, point right, and then you're going to do a right jazz box quarter turn. So over, back, step, step. All right, let's do that again. We're going to step, point, jazz, quarter to the side. One more time with counts. Ready? Step 1.2, 3.4, jazz, 6, 7, 8. Piece of cake, right? All right, let's add that on from the top as well. So ready? Shuffle, rock back, recover, big slide to the left, rock back, recover, step out right, pivot, half, out, out, in, rock back, recover, step right, point left, left, point right, jazz, quarter to the side. Awesome. So you should be facing 9 o'clock now. It's a counterclockwise dance. And your weight's on that left foot. So let's do the last set of 8. My dog's kind of in my way, but I appreciate her support. Okay, so you're going to step out to your right, ball step, and touch together. All right, so I'm going to show you that facing the front with the counts. So it's out 1, hold 2, and 3, touch 4. One more time. Out 1, hold 2, and 3, touch 4. And then you're going to end it with a rolling vine or a vine. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that together. 1, hold 2, and 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Without the rolling vine, it's 1, hold 2, and 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, touch 8. All right, so let's do it to the side wall. So, after the jazz box, it's out 1, hold 2, and 3, touch 4, and vine or roll to your left. Awesome. That is the whole dance. And there are no tags or restarts. Wonderful. There's just a little change on the very end, and I'll show you that when we get to it. Okay, let's put that all together from the top. You're going to start with your weight on your left, and we're going to start with that Lindy shuffle. All right, ready? Shuffle, rock back, recover, slide, hold, rock back, recover, step out, pivot half to left, out, out, in, rock back on the right, recover, step, point, and jazz quarter to the side, out, hold, together, touch, and vine or roll. All right, so we're at wall 2, 9 o'clock. Weights on the left, ready. Shuffle, rock back, recover, big slide, rock back right, recover, pivot half, out, in, rock back, recover, step, point, jazz quarter to 6 o'clock, out, hold, and together touch, vine or roll to the left. Awesome. All right, so if you're doing good, we're going to do walls 3 and 4 together. If you still need a little extra help, just rewind back to wall 1 and practice that a little bit, okay? So ready, we're going to shuffle right, rock back, recover, big slide to the left, rock back right, recover, step out, pivot half, out, hold, in, hold, rock back, recover, step, point, jazz quarter turn, out, hold, and together touch, vine or roll to your left. Ready, shuffle, rock back, recover, big slide, hold, rock back, recover, pivot half, out, hold, in, hold, rock back, recover, step, point, jazz quarter to the front, out, hold, and together touch, vine or roll to the left. Awesome, you made it. You should get in the shade, dog. All right, so we're gonna put it together from the top. I'm gonna do 4 walls together for practice. Ready, shuffle, rock back, recover, big slide, rock back, recover, pivot half, out, in, rock back, recover, step, point, jazz quarter turn, out, hold, together touch, vine or roll to the left. Lindy shuffle, rock back, big slide, rock back, recover, pivot half, out, in, rock back, recover, step, point, jazz quarter to the back, out, hold, and together touch, vine or roll to the left. Lindy shuffle, rock back, big slide, rock back, recover, pivot half, out, in, rock back, step, point, jazz quarter turn, out, hold, and together touch, vine or roll to the left. Lindy shuffle, rock back, big slide, rock back, pivot half, out, in, rock back, recover, step, point, jazz quarter to the front, out, hold, and together touch, vine or roll to the left. Awesome. All right, so the one little change is at the very end, and it's not a big deal even if you don't do it. The last wall, you're going to be facing 3 o'clock, and you're going to start the pattern with shuffle, rock back, big slide, rock back, recover, and right here you would pivot a half. You're going to just pivot a quarter back to the front and do your out, and in, rock back, recover, and that is the end of the dance. So the only change there is instead of a half turn, you're going to just pivot a quarter to face the front to finish the dance. That's about it. Give it some practice and then try the demo with me. I'll call the steps on the first round. Thanks for dancing with me. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe, share, all that jazz. If you have any questions, post them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much. All right, so before I start with the demo, there's just a couple things. If you want to clap on the out, out, and in, there's also hoo, ha on some of the out, out, ins that you can hear in the song. If you want to add that too, or also when she steps out and holds to the side, she pushes her arms out. There's a lot of things you can add to the song to make it even more fun. Just make it your own. All right, let's try it with a demo. All right, here's the demo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, rock back, big slide, hold, rock back, pivot, turn out, out, in, rock back, step point, jazz quarter, out, hold, together, touch, roller bind. Shuffle, rock back, big slide, rock back, pivot, turn, out, out, in, rock back, step point, jazz quarter, out, hold, together, touch, roller bind. Shuffle, rock back, big slide, rock back, pivot, half, out, out, in, rock back, step point, jazz quarter, turn, out, hold, together, touch, roll it. Shuffle, big slide, rock back, pivot, half, ha, rock back, step point, jazz quarter, out, hold, together, touch, roll. Out, out, and in, rock back, step point, jazz quarter, out, hold, together, touch, roller vine, shuffle. Pivot half, out, out, in, rock back, step point, jazz, out, hold, together, touch, roll it. Shuffle, rock back, big slide, rock back, pivot half, the half, out, out, in, rock back, step point, jazz quarter, if you be my girl, back. Alright, so at the end I just turn to the front. Alright, thanks for dancing with me. Like and subscribe. Love you guys.